Allah, Allahu 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 Allah.
يا خالق الأكوان يا منزل القرآن، يا خالق الأكوان يا منزل القرآن، زدني من الإيمان الله يا الله.
يا خالق الأكوان
يا منزل القرآن،
يا خالق الأكوان
يا منزل القرآن، زدني من الإيمان الله يا الله.
Thousands of Muslims in southern Russia are flocking to the home of a baby, trying to catch a glimpse of what they are calling a miracle. 9-month-old Ali Yakubov allegedly had verses from the Quran magically appear and fade on his body for several days. Local religious leaders say the text is only a few centimeters in length. This week, the Quranic verse, "Be thankful or grateful to Allah," allegedly appeared on the infant's right leg in Arabic. Visiting foreign journalists later saw a single letter after the rest had vanished. The so-called miracle baby has brought a kind of mystical hope to people in Russia's mostly Muslim southern territory. Up to 2,000 pilgrims come daily to see the baby, whose house has become a shrine. For MSNBC.com, I'm Kava Anderson.